Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion AI. First, let's dive into activating this powerful tool. Simply open any Notion page, type a / and select AI from the menu, or press the spacebar to bring up the AI prompt. You can also highlight existing text to instantly access AI actions. This allows you to generate new content, summarize documents, or brainstorm ideas with just a few clicks, making your workflow significantly more efficient. Notion AI excels at content creation. You can ask it to draft an entire blog post, summarize lengthy articles into key points, or even brainstorm 20 different ideas for your next project. Highlight any text to instantly improve its grammar, translate it into another language, or simplify complex sentences. Leverage pre-built templates like blog post or meeting summary to jumpstart your writing process and save valuable time. Beyond basic generation, Notion AI integrates deeply with databases. Imagine having AI automatically summarize new entries, extract key information, or even generate a unique description for each item in a database. You can also craft custom AI blocks with specific instructions, tailoring the AI's output precisely to your needs. This allows for highly personalized content creation and significant automation across your entire workspace. To truly maximize Notion AI, remember to experiment. Try various prompts and adjust your instructions to get the best results. Always review and refine the AI's output. It's a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your unique voice. Combine AI with Notion's robust organization features, like linked databases and templates, to create a seamless and highly productive environment. This approach will elevate your work to new levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.